Hello, today we have the Lovery Luxury Beauty Treasures Advent Calendar. This is a 12-day calendar, and be sure to stick around to the end so we can decide if this is luxury or not. Or whose idea of luxury is it? You ain't gonna believe the phrasing. Day one starts us out with a red lipstick. Okay, that's not bad for an advent calendar. Agreed. Day two is a triple power moisturizer. I went to take a sniff. It does have a safety seal, so I'll give it to him on that. I was able to get a sniff through the safety seal. This is a little bit on the perfumey side. But, okay, a moisturizer, helpful in the colder weather. We get a black eyeliner. Typical in many beauty advent calendars. We get a maroon lip liner. Interesting, it's a fall color, yet it doesn't really go with the red lipstick we got at the beginning. We got a nail polish. Yeah, and a tiny one at that. I think a certain other calendar that likes to give nail polish, I think theirs is bigger than this. I think you might be right. We have an interesting looking cylinder. That we do. Help me out here, Miss Fatima. Voila! We have a brush. Soft. And as I give it the good swipe over, we don't have bristles flying out everywhere. So, okay. We have a brush. We are halfway through. Anne has decided her top two would be, I would give the top two in the first half to the red lipstick and to the brush. How about you? Let me know down below. I'm a nosy camel. And now moving right along with this video. Day 7 comes in a little velvet pouch. And it is a necklace. Obviously we are not real. I can get it to turn around correctly. It does have a extender, so you can make it longer or shorter as needed. So, I mean, it's not the greatest of quality. That is what the stone looks like. Okay, that's something fun and different that you don't normally see in a beauty advent calendar. You raise a valid point. Next we have a vanilla soy wax candle, 20 grams. And we have taken a little sniff, and it smells heavenly. So, okay, it's tiny, but okay, I'll give it to him. That's cute. And again, many advent calendars do have a candle, so they're in trend, on theme, on target. This interesting little nugget is a red lip balm. Okay, hopefully not blinding everybody. It's interesting. It's a seasonal color. It's helpful to have a lip balm in the colder weather. This is the Red Rose Body Lotion. Now, I gotta say, I will give it to them. It does have a safety seal. I was surprised with the concept of rose. I think of that more for Valentine's Day. I would have thought for the holiday season we would have had something with a sugar cookie or a gingerbread scent. Not necessarily a rose. Day number 11. The second to last day. Should be something good. Get ready for this one. I hope everyone's sitting down. Preferably on the floor, so when you faint, you won't have as far to fall. Oh no. A nail file! Yes, where have we seen a nail file before? At least it has sparkle and bling. Yeah, but when we get down to the pricing. Seriously? A nail file? The last day is a eyeshadow palette. A nice neutral eyeshadow palette with a few pops of color at the bottom, yet no sparkle, no bling, no zing, no zoom. They could have done better, I would think. I would think so too. We got this advent calendar on sale for $70. The original price was $210. You gotta be kidding. And $70, I gotta say, that's pushing it for what we got. At $210, that would mean each day was worth $17.50. I don't think those items are worth that much. Neither do I. At $70, each day is worth $5.83. Well, yeah. Whose idea of luxury is this? Would you pay $5.83 for any of these? I'm trying to sit here and think for a minute. And in the second half of the calendar, probably my two favorites, well, I know one would be the candle. Is this candle worth $5.83? Nope. At least I agree on that one. Nope. It's cute, but $5.83, or worse yet, $17.50? I mean, seriously? What do you think? Leave us a comment down below. Is this a ripoff or is this a luxury calendar? Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. We're doing lots of fun stuff over here. And yeah, seriously, I think this was a ripoff. Especially if you paid full price for it. It's bad enough that we paid $70 for it. There were some cute things, yet, sheesh.